I vow to be your partner in adventure, in love, in laughter, in happiness, in sadness, in parenthood. I vow that you will always know how I feel about you. Stephen, I vow to love you with everything I am and will ever be until the end of time, and even then.
But the words keep eating you up inside.
As you embark on this new chapter of your lives together, know that we will always be here for you, cheering you on every step of the way.
We ask all of you at this time to raise your glasses. And congratulations as we toast to Alexa and Stephen, husband and wife.
It's funny because I did, ask ChatGPT, like, how do I put this kind of speech together? And they're like, it's like, oh, talk about your brother's best qualities. But he is, again, one of the most stubborn, frustrating people that I've ever met. But I think it's that stubbornness that I know is gonna make him such a great husband, because he's gonna do anything and everything in his power to put Alexa first and his family first. So it's like, I know that he's gonna be such a great partner to you, Alexa.
Wait.
On to the next one. 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 On to the next one.
Thank you for being my sister, and even going beyond that somehow. You are my built-in best friend, and know me better than anyone else. Your kindness, generosity, and heart has proven countless times that it is limitless.
Oh my goodness, you look spectacular. Oh my goodness. It's the dynamite dress. Oh my God, look how long the train, oh my gosh, you got some train there.
That will never die, keeping you up at night.
I am my beloved, and my beloved is mine.
Little swollen. I am my beloved, and my beloved is mine.
It is with my greatest pleasure and my greatest honor that I now pronounce you husband and wife. Stephen, I invite you to smash that glass and kiss your bride.